excited about the fact that we're getting our roofing on today. If you look at the product already going on right now, it's beautiful. I spent years detailing out this house on paper, okay? And I've waited years for it to get built right now. It's paying off right now in my Owens Corning roof. I see the roofing going on this. It's like when I walk through the shop and I see Will's finally laying out a paint job on a car. You know in your heart that it's going to be great because you're using great materials on it. Knowing that we picked the right color. Suzanne had picked the onyx black. Knowing the colors the house is going to be, she said that would be the best one. I went along with it. Standing here now, today, looking at my beautiful roof going on, I admit she's right. She's right a lot of times. That's why I don't argue. That full spectrum of colors that you could choose from in the way of roofing that would go well with the house. We selected the onyx black, and I think it's the right call.